In continuation to PySpark functions, this example 5, it focuses on date arithmetic and difference. Here in the first statement, the Spark session I imported and then imported functions as a f object and created a Spark object, and this is the sample data. This data contains start date, end date, and created a data frame using the data, and then schema is start date and end date. You can see in the end date there is a none. So coming to df2, df with column, this is a created a new column, that is a start, the to date, it converted start date to YYY minus minus DD format, it converted, and date string to date format, and with column end date to underscore date. This is a new column name is end, and then end date column it converts to YYY-MM-DD format, and with column days difference, and it is arithmetic on date values, and this is the conditional logic. When column of end is null, then it lit is none, replacing. When it is null, we are null replacing with none. Otherwise, date difference, we need date difference function used here. This date difference function using end date and start date, these two dates we need to supply here. So df2 dot show will give the result, and if you run this, you can see the actual result. It is yeah, run completed. Start date is the original data values, end date original data values. In the start, this is the new column that we created, it converted into date format, and end also converted into date format. Wherever date is not there, and that value replaced with null. Even in days difference, as we mentioned that whenever end date is null, replacing with none means here null. So in the days underscore difference, you can see difference between end date and start date 27, 44, and last one is null because of none.